Here is the latest Monster Fish texture painting progress update. I was going to post a lengthy tutorial on how to paint the monster fish on ArmorPaint, but failed to get the fish painted. Up until this point, I've been using ArmorPaint while experimenting with basic Blender mesh primitives that were exported as OBJ files. They worked without any issues, so my thought was, unless the scene files were exported as blend, everything should be okay. But when I tried to import the monster fish OBJ file from Blender, I found the imported file was very unstable. This was the first time using a mesh that was created by me, so I was surprised. Not knowing whether the issue had occurred because the monster fish OBJ file had an issue, I tried importing other exported OBJ files from Blender and found they too were having issues. I'll wait for future updates and test ArmorPaint with meshes that were created by me, before uploading any more ArmorPaint tutorials in the future. Again, it seems only Blender's built-in primitives, such as cubes, spheres, Suzanne, etc., were found to be stable, not the meshes that were created by myself. Here's a time-compressed footage of the tutorial I was making earlier. Thank you for watching.